Are we having fun?
She won't take any of the candy.
Yeah.
Oh, Allie, look at all the spiders that attacked that house.
Wow, can I go catch them?
And look, there's ghosts here.
Ghosts.
That's so neat.
Yeah, Mia, let's go over there and catch them. Let's go catch the spiders, okay?
Where?
They're over that house. Let's see. Let's go out to the... Let's try that.
Oh, look at that house. That house has spider and stuff.
I think that skeleton is taking a bath.
Look at that.
That's pretty cool.
Can I see over there, Joseph?
Should we go inside?
Yes. Go.
Over here.